Hi guys, welcome back to the course, and let's enter some values in the registration form to see how it works. Click the register button. You can see that when I click the register button, all the form values are gone. So we want to retrieve those form values and restore them in these form fields if the error occurs. So for restoring these form values, we have to store them into the session and then restore those values into the form fields from the session again. So for that we have to use session. So in PHP, if you want to use session, you have to start the session at the start of the file. So we will use session_start method to start the session. So you will have to use this line of code in the beginning of any file in which you want to use session. So now we will check for the form submission, and if the form is submitted, we will create the session variables. So if is set $_post, and we will check for, I think the name of the register button was register, and we are saying that if the form has been submitted or the register button has been clicked, then what to do? Then just grab those values from the post request and put them into the session. So the first one was name, and we will retrieve the name from the post request. So copy this line and paste it below. Next one is email, and the name of the text field is also email. The next one is password. The name of the field is also password. Let's add the last one, confirm password. Copy it, paste it. So now if the post request has been made, we will create these 4 session variables to store all the values entered by the user. So let's go to our form fields and add a value attribute to restore those values into the form fields from the session. So inside the value attribute, let's start a PHP tag and echo, and then let's access the session variable session, and this one will be name. Oops. Now let's copy this value attribute and add it to all of the form fields. Paste it. Just need to change the name, email. The next one will be password. The last one will be confirm password. confirm_password. So I think that's it. So let's go ahead and refresh the page. So now let's do the form submission. 1 2 3 register. You can see that those form values are not gone. We are retrieving those form values from the session.